Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Ayodhya in Uttar Pradesh today. The Prime Minister will inaugurate the redeveloped Maharishi Valmiki International Airport in Ayodhya and flag off Vande Bharat and Amrit Bharat special trains. A historic tripartite peace accord has been signed between the centre, the Assam government and the Alpha in New Delhi. President Draupadi Murmu has prorogued both houses of parliament after the conclusion of winter session. The flagship program of the External Affairs Ministry, No India Bharat for the Youth Diaspora, has completed its 20 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will share his thoughts with the nation through his Mann Ki Baat program on Akashvani tomorrow.